Good people. Hello. Hi, guys. It's been a long time. Should have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two. Hey, guys, it's been a long time. But I'm back. Did you guys miss me? By the way, today I'm eating lunch. So this is gonna be a eating lunch session while I answer some questions. Okay. I'm just that busy. So I'm coming live on my lunch break if I get back to work. Okay. So guys, today I just really want to talk about the power of having like being decided. Like I think if there's one mistake I see people do all the time, it's just being undecided. Like you have a conversation with me or you have a conversation with another law lawyer or something, and then you're trying to decide you decide, okay, I think I just want to I think I want to continue on this marriage based application, or just kind of seeing people going back and forth, can kind of determine what they want to do, even after you've gotten wise counsel. So, as someone who has struggled with indecision before in my personal life, I mean, I get it. But if there's the people that really benefit from this vow thing, or really anything, really, any opportunity, are the ones who we have a consultation, we talk about it, we come up with a plan, and they just do it. You know, they just do it. Those are the people that really succeed. Okay, guys, remember I'm eating lunch today as I talk today. So I've never done that, but today we're doing that because I'm so busy. All right. So the people who really succeed are the ones we have a consultation. I tell you these are your options, and they do it. And they do it. So if you're one of those people who just can't ever make up your mind, you keep thinking, maybe I should wait on my spouse. My spouse said they're gonna file for me. You keep waiting, waiting, waiting. It's been years since you've been married. You're having issues in the marriage, and you're still thinking, I'm still gonna wait. You'll probably be there, in that same place at the end of this year. Okay, so today I guess I just want to but trust the point that the people who really benefit from VAWA, for adjustment of status to marriage, from asylum, are the ones that kind of have their mind made up, right? The ones that are not going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If you're one of those people, you need to ask for deliverance. Okay, make up your mind and just do something. Make up your mind. Always have proper consultations with a lawyer. But after you've done that, just make up your mind and make a move. Make a move. Okay, time is going. All right. As a reminder, I want to remind you guys of the kinds of cases we do. Of course, we do law cases. Those are for people who are in a problematic marriage with a U.S. citizen spouse or green card holder spouse, or have been divorced from one, or are separated from one. Or in some states like Colorado, like New Hampshire, who have never been married to one, but you just have a legal partnership with someone and you've been together for a long time. You've done everything together. So it's like you're married, okay? You have property together, children together, things like those. And in some states, you don't even have to be married to qualify for VAW, okay? So we do VAW for people in that situation or in those situations. We do adjustment of status to marriage. Those are for the people who are in a good marriage. So that's based on a good, solid relationship with your spouse. We do actually do the ones that are based on a healthy relationship. In other words, we do that, and that's adjustment of status to marriage. We do asylum, which is based on you fleeing your home country because of fear for your life, or because of something happened to you or to your family, and you can't really, safely go back home, or something will happen to you if you go back. All right. And then, so that's asylum. And then now, of course, newly, as I told you in January, we're also doing extraordinary ability cases. Okay. So those are for top 10% in their field, usually celebrities, actors, actresses, athletes, people who come here based on their skill set. Okay. And are in the top 10% of their field, or almost there. Okay. And that's why they're usually celebrities. All right. That said, I'm going to start taking questions very quickly because today I'm hungry. I can't be here forever. I want to finish eating lunch properly. Let me take some questions. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you so much.
How are you
My name
doing?
is Decisive. Hello. Please, I have a question about the asylum. If someone that did asylum and the last hearing and the attorney trying to negotiate to cancel of deportation, that he said they are going to redoing it again. Is it something that is going to help the person or not?
Woo. Okay, maybe it's how you put it together. What did your lawyer say he was gonna do?
What happened is I have a lawyer before, but the lawyer that I have, they something like the day that they give to us before they name the date.
Okay.
So the day they give to us, and the lawyer can't be able to make it. So I need to get another lawyer urgent, which does not know much about the case during that time. I'm talking of last year.
Okay.
So lawyer now now go on my behalf to negotiate it. Tiny days, like 10 days. So he went to negotiate with the government, and he said he canceled the deportation, like for the last year, and that he's going to doing the processing again. So is this something that he is going to affect? Because
what is he gonna redo? He's gonna refile the asylum case for you. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
It depends on your kind of asylum case. It depends on what you're claiming. It depends on whether it's a good case. It depends on many things. But
he said when he looked the paper,
like
he said that
I wouldn't know unless I was working on the case.
Say again?
I wouldn't know unless I was working on the case. But yes, it seems like it's possible. I mean, but I wouldn't know unless I worked on the case, because it depends on the kind of case you had, what you claimed on the asylum case, many things.
Yeah. If somebody wanted to come and see what is good, and again, what how much is the consultation?
So the consultation fee is $150. And then I don't schedule that. You have to call this number, and then they'll tell you when I'm available. And while we are on this topic, I'm full till like April. But if you need a sooner consultation, you can schedule a weekend. I've started doing weekend consultations because of how backed up we are, but those are extra fee.
For the weekend extra fee?
Yeah, for the weekend consultation.
How much is that one?
They'll tell you, but it's an extra fee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm good. I just have one or two quick questions that I want to ask.
Okay.
Someone got married, and they got married 2017, and after 2017, 2019, they called her. They called him for interview. The lady refused to go in for the interview, the first one, and they have to cancel that the documentation. So he pleaded with the lady again, and they went on again to file it again. The second interview, the lady refused. So this person went in for VAWA. But since this person went in for VAWA, when they filing VAWA since 2019, up to the filing the VAWA 2019 December, up to now, they've not responded to the dude.
Never got any receipt notice? What about receipt notices?
He got a receipt, but there is no work authorization, there is no approval notice, nothing.
Have that person give me a call.
Huh?
Have that person give me a call, and I can see further what might be the issue, or I can see if we need to start afresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
so like which number long. Should the person call?
Huh? No, there's a number at the bottom of the
this
screen.
Number? Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'll copy the number now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're just coming in, I want to apologize. I told you guys I'm eating lunch today. So I will be eating and chewing, right? Because I just don't have that much time. So, and I needed to do a live video, so I'm just going to do it together, okay? All right.
Hey,
hello, how are you doing?
How
How are you?
Good. How can I help you?
Hey, please, I need a lawyer advice.
Okay.
I have a vow pending for a year now, right?
Okay.
And I have my asylum individual this coming July.
Okay.
So I spoke to a couple of lawyers, whether to. He's told me that
You have vow and asylum
for my
cases.
vow to go through,
So
I need
you
to
have a
cancel
vow.
my asylum.
Excuse me. Let me. So you have a vow case and you also have an asylum case.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what's your question?
My question is, when I spoke to some couple of lawyers, I take an advice. He said I should cancel my asylum for the vow to go through.
I wouldn't do that if I was you.
Huh?
I wouldn't do that if I was you, and I don't know why they said that. Maybe it has something to do. I mean, I'd have to have a conversation with you to know.
Your line keep
To
breaking
know
up. I can't
why.
hear you.
I said I'd have to have a conversation with you to know why they said that, but off the top of my head, that's not what I would recommend normally. Normally, I tell people don't let go of your asylum case until you have a green card in hand.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but if you want more specific, maybe I need to talk to you further to see why they said that. So just schedule a consultation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you a call.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. All right. Let me bring some more people. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah. I can hear you.
All right, madam. How are you doing?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. How can I help?
Yeah, I have a case. I have a VAWA case online, and they just sent me something about like they are saying that I have 180 days.
Okay.
I don't know what it is. I was trying to figure it out.
They have 180 days.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what you're talking about. What kind of notice was this?
It says like they will send me a letter if my case was approved, but they gave me 180 days. If I didn't receive anything, they will extend the duration.
Okay, so you already have a 2-year conditional green card.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have like working permit and everything is like 2 years.
No. I'm saying, do you already have a green card that's for 2 years?
No, it's working permit for 2 years. Like is
okay. Maybe just ask your question because you're like confusing. What's your question?
Okay. I applied for VAWA.
Okay.
So they send me a new card, like it's like working permit card for 2 years.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, and then they send me a notice saying that they will send me another notice to tell me if they approve my case, like my VAWA case.
You mean
so
it's
that
prima facie? You talking about your prima facie?
Oh no. Yeah, I think.
Oh
yeah.
my God, you confusing me. Okay. Oh, that's not an approval. That's a pre-approval. Okay.
Oh, pre-approval. I just want to see if I can be approved or is
Pre-approval means everything's looking good so far. So it's possible.
Oh,
yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Please
Bye.
write your terms next time. Don't come and confuse lawyers. I was like, what is she talking about? Okay,
I'm sorry.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, sir, how can I help you?
Hi. My name is Sam. I got married to an U.S. citizen woman. So now, it's been almost an year. We were staying together, all these days. But since couple months, my wife acting weird and which is leading me into depressed and a lot of scenarios. So a couple of my friends and I also very active in the social media. I'm seeing all your videos. They are really nice, helping to people. So now, since my wife is like doing weird things now, I'm planning to file a baba against my wife.
Okay.
So here the thing, but prior to my marriage, I have a criminal charge. So the case is still open, and I have a follow-up court date on this year, May.
Okay.
So
So
question is
let me back up.
am I eligible to apply or to file a BABA before the court date?
Okay, there's some information I don't think I got. So what have you filed for so far? A vow application? What did you file for so far? What have you filed for?
I filed for change of adjustment of status. That's it.
Oh, based on your spouse. So it's adjustment of status to marriage? Is it your spouse that filed for you, or you filed for it through vow?
From my wife.
Okay. So you filed for adjustment of status. Oh, okay. And then after that, they put you in deportation proceedings?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your question?
I asked you already.
I didn't get it. So I'm asking you, what's your question? Hello? Interesting. Guys, if you come on the live and I ask you a follow-up question, that means I didn't get what you're saying, okay? Anyway, moving right along. That's interesting. Didn't hang up on me because I asked you for a follow-up question. Go figure. Anyway. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I don't have the one question for that. My husband is H1B holder.
Okay.
I am the H4 holder. Right now, I am the out of status from last 2 years because he's never sponsored me and everything. And right now, I'm out of status. But his case, he applied the divorce case in India. I don't know what to do. He made me to work as illegally and everything. I abused from him. I have the proof and everything. Can I file against on in the USA?
You can get, you can file for vow, but you can only get as much as what he has. Remember, vow is a way of filing for a green card based on your spouse's status. So since he doesn't have a green card, we're only going to be able to get you like a work permit, travel permit if we file for your vow. We wouldn't be able to get you a green card just yet because he doesn't have a green card. So whenever he becomes a green card holder, that will probably be the best time for you to give us a call to file your vow case. But if you're in a very, very bad situation and you can't wait till then, you can call me now. We can file your vow case. But you just won't be able to get a green card. The most you'll be able to get is like a work permit. And maybe a travel permit.
Yeah, I got a work permit, but what is means he applied the divorce in India. The Indian politician and they're all supporting him and they're telling me to come back and attend the case. I'm right now is very risky. If I go back, I'm completely out of status in the US.
Okay, ma'am. It looks like you need a consultation because I think I've already answered your question as best as I can. But it looks like you have more details. Do you want to just schedule a consultation? We can talk more in detail.
Okay, sure. Okay. Yeah, I did it. I got your appointment on March 16.
Okay.
I already talked. That's what I just saw you that I can talk to you regarding everything. So I just came because I'm totally suffering from the H1B holder. Yeah, he know that he's a H1B holder, so we can't do anything. That's what he's playing my life like anything. I'm totally I don't know what to do in the USA.
I'm so sorry, madam. If you so I guess we'll talk further. But as to your question, it really very much depends on what he has is what he can give you through vow. In other words.
He's completely abused me. He's telling me that if you have to work as illegally in some restaurant and in some communities, and you have to earn the money and you have to give for me. When I abused that, and he made my big story I have some affairs and everything. It's completely, and he put me right now out of the house, and he did not give me the status for me, and he put me out of the house. I don't have the status. I applied through some they told me you can get only work permit, but you have to go for some more energy. Maybe you can.
Ma'am, please, please, I really do want to help you, but I think that we need a consultation. Okay, so just wait until that day or call and schedule a sooner one. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
Mm. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. I'm taking three people at the same time. I'm going to take the lady at the top with her nails first.
Okay. So my question is it possible to get a properties like a house while your VAWA is spending? I mean,
I'm
does
not
that affect
sure.
your VAWA?
I think most times you need a green card first. You might want to ask a realtor, but I think you need a green card.
So there's some states that you can actually buy a house like I think tax ID and all. There's some states in America that you can get a house with tax ID.
Okay, so you know then. All right, yes, me then.
Sorry.
I would just say ask your particular realtor in your state. They would know best. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Did you hear my answer?
No, what did you say?
I would say that your realtor in your state would have the best answer for you, because that's their job to sell houses. They would know exactly what you need.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, gentleman on the left.
Yeah, hello.
How are you doing?
Good, good. How about yourself?
I'm good. How can I help you?
Yes, I've been married almost 3 months now to a lady. We all was in love when we married and happily. All of a sudden, she become abusive. She let people in her head, started telling her stuff like that. That I'm here for a green card. So I just want to know if I'm eligible to get have a case.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen or green card holder?
Yes, she is.
How long have you been married?
Since December the 5th. So next month, the 5th of next month will be 3 months.
Okay, give me a call. I think it's possible, but I'll tell you for sure in a consultation.
Okay, so great.
All right. Thank you. You have
all right,
the
thank
phone
you.
number is down there at the bottom. All right. The next person on the right. How can I help you?
Hi.
Hi.
This is me. My call got dropped like a couple minutes ago. Like I was talking about.
Oh, I thought you hung up on me. I was really.
Sorry.
Rude. Okay.
So I'll just give you a recap. So I did. I got married to a U.S. citizen, and we were been so happy. And suddenly, my wife started doing weird things, and making a lot of. Since a couple months, there is a lot of miscommunications between me and my wife. But I'm thinking this is not gonna work out anymore in the future. But I'm planning to file the VAWA. So prior to this, as I said, I have a criminal charge. Which is still open, and this criminal I have a follow-up court date on
what kind of
coming May.
What kind of charge did they get you for?
I didn't get you.
What did they charge you for?
It's a felony.
Okay.
So question is since
exactly
my case is still open, am I eligible to file VAWA or not? So
we need a consultation.
Will you be able to help me in doing this?
Anything to do with crimes, or if you have something more difficult or complicated, we need a consultation for me to answer you properly. I'm sure you know why. Okay. So
all right. So you want me to book a consultation with you?
Absolutely, because you're not giving me some details that I need to know.
All right. I'll do it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. All right. Okay. These are the last two questions I'm taking, guys. Last two. Because it's time for me to get back to work now. All right. I'm on someone's money as we speak. Time is money. So let's see. I'll ask 2 or 3 people.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Can you hear me?
I hear you very well.
Yes, I submitted a document for my children, my citizen husband.
Okay.
We received a repeat notice since July, and up to now we've not heard anything.
Okay, you said you received receipt notices, right?
Yes, since July. Yes.
Okay, this is for your, who's filing for who? You're filing for your husband, or your husband filed for you?
No. My husband is filing for my children.
Stepchildren. Okay. As long as you've done your receipt notices, ma'am, these processes take a while. Okay, they don't just take a few months. You got to be patient.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome, ma'am.
All right,
Thank
madam.
you.
How can I help you on the right?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So I tried calling up the office some time ago, but I couldn't get through.
Okay.
Today I saw you live. I said, okay, let me take the advantage of you being on live to speak with you. So I just want to ask a quick question. Can I, for example, use a business to file for a family member coming, from Africa?
Anytime you want to do something like that, you really want to involve a lawyer that does H-1Bs, because there's like a lot of rules and regulations that you have to make sure you meet.
Okay.
You have to advertise the job. It's so many different aspects of it. So I would consult a lawyer. I don't do that, so I wouldn't be able to help you with that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But
Okay.
I think it's possible.
Okay.
I think you have to have a lot. You have to really have a lot to be able to do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys. I said that was the last question I was gonna take. So I'm gonna keep my word. Okay, maybe I'll do 2 more since there's so many requests here. I'm gonna do 2 more, and I saw someone here. I said I would try to answer.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. I just want to ask a question. If you and your husband, you're both citizen, but your husband went to Nigeria and got married to another lady, and now you had to file for divorce due to the bigamy and adultery. Is there a way you can block the guy from not bringing the lady into the country?
No.
No. Okay.
Let me ask you this: has he filed for you or something like that?
No, he didn't file for me. My dad filed for me, but we're both citizens.
I don't know how you're gonna do that, but you could try to report it. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. How do I report him? But he's a citizen. I'm a citizen. But for the divorce, the divorce is based on adultery, which the lady's name is involved.
Okay, maybe talk to your find a family lawyer. That probably would be the best person to answer your question. To be honest with you, I only do.
Yeah, we're telling me that is the immigration. That's why I was asking you.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, I don't know the answer. You
push
something out of me that I don't know. I don't know. That's not something my expertise. I don't know.
Nope. All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Right. Okay. I think with that, I'll call it a day, guys. No, shit. Now let me do one more person. Let me do one more person just because. Let's end on a good light note. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How you doing, ma'am?
Good. How can I
have a quick question. So let's say you're filing for vow and your vow is in process, but you've been separated from your spouse.
Okay.
And you get pregnant for someone else. Like,
is it a problem? You're not married to the person, but you just got pregnant.
It depends. Which state are you in? Are you living in?
Nebraska.
Yeah, Nebraska doesn't recognize common law. I don't think it does. Let me double check. I don't think there's some states that will recognize a marriage without you being married, like a legal partnership. And I don't think Nebraska is. Give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think so at all. And if it's not, I guess my advice would be for you to just move on and see if you can, see if in some time, a year or two from now or something like that, you meet someone else you love. And this time, try to get married first, okay? I guess that's my advice.
Okay. But so it won't be a problem. It won't affect the vow that is already in process.
Oh, you have a vow case?
Yes.
Oh no, it wouldn't. But of course, they would want to know who is it that you had a kid with, other than your husband. You are going to have some extra questions about that possibly at your interview.
Okay.
And that's if you have an interview, because right now they are starting to waive some interviews. So, time-wise, things are on your side right now. Because right now they're starting to waive interviews. So hopefully they waive yours and it's never even a question.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So much. Bye.
Bye-bye. I can't even what you say. Okay. That lady was so sweet. I completely misunderstood her question. All right. Okay, guys, it's 12:12. I've got to go. Thank you so much for joining, guys. If you know someone that could benefit from this live, as always, share, and don't be stingy. Your friend is gonna find out that you filed for vow anyway. Joking, okay, it's a joke. All right, so in other words, share the good news, okay, guys. Thank you so much, and join me again. I usually try to come once a week. I haven't been able to come really every week since January. I've been just that busy, but I'll try again next week. All right, even if I'm eating lunch like I had to do today. All right. Thank you very much, guys. See you later. See you next time. Bye, Sister Moses. Oh, no, you're very funny, Sister Moses. Bye, everyone.